Hey y'all, today we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to do a little bit of voiceover, and today we're going to do some upgrades on the Piggy Palace. We're going to be replacing the small tires on it for some bigger ones just to make it easier to move. But first we need to make some modifications to the tires, so we're going to go ahead and get right into that now. The first thing you're going to see here is just a disc here. It's roughly about 8.5 inches wide. It does have the 5-star on it that I did trace out. So what I'm doing now is I'm just burning it just to seal it up, just to keep it from rotting out. It is not weatherproof. And right here I'm just make sure it fits. And I'm putting in the bolts right here, which is it's really simple. I just had to speed it up because I didn't want to bore you. Just get all 5 of those in there. Then I'm just going to press those through right there. It's not a hard job at all. It just took me some time to try to figure out how I was going to do this. These tires I picked up, I got them on Amazon for the chicken tractor, and they were the wrong bolt size, so they wouldn't work. So right there I just pointed I need to cut out for the valve stem. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting the other one on there, and I'm going to take measurements, and I cut you see that little notch that I cut out there for the valve stem, so that way I can air that up. So now I'm just going to beat that into submission, and finally I'll get it seated there up against the rim. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to secure it. I got some washers, and I got also washer nuts on there. So, and those bolts I put in, they're 6-inch bolts, and they're only a 1/2 inch diameter on them, with a 3/4 inch head on them, and 3/4 inch bolts. So I'm just making do with what I got, and it took me a while to think about this, how I was going to do it. It doesn't look pretty. Pigs don't really care, but I think it's going to work out pretty good. So what I'm doing here, I'm just tightening those down. I'm going to use my socket there, as you can tell. That one was a little stuck right there. The threads weren't exactly started on it, so I got it. So I'm putting a adjustable wrench on the back side, so that way it won't turn on me, and I'm just tightening them up. Not too tight, because I don't want to crack the wood on it. So I'm just going through right here, and I'm just tightening them all up, just snug. And I don't think it turned out too bad. So the main thing is hopefully it works. Now that we got these all tightened up, we're going to go outside, and hopefully it will fit. So as you can tell right here, I had to cut that pipe right in half. That is a spacer for the tire, so it won't run up against there. So I already did that one right there, so now I just have to go to the other side now. want to thank everybody for supporting our channel. It means a lot to us. And we welcome all the new who have recently joined. We're at a point now in the season where it's going to get really busy. From hitting it hard in the garden to revamping other projects, it's going to be a great year. And in closing, we had a strong storm that came through, and just want y'all just to check it out. It's just a small little video, just a couple seconds long. So we'll just talk to you on the next one. Love y'all, and God bless.